we'll see what's inside. And we've got Tim here today.
Yo.
And we're going to work out what's inside a soccer ball or a football. So, Tim, what have we been doing so far?
So far we've been taking off the skin of the football, as you can see here. Inside it, nothing. Just the ordinary inside of the football. And now we've got down to the rubber bit of the football right here. So, seeing it's got a bit holey, the football, and it's got some holes in it, we're going to cut it in half and see what's inside. So, comment down below what you guys think it will be inside.
So, but first, before we get on to that, we're going to work out what's inside a little square like that. Okay? So, Tim, can you please cut it open, please?
Sure. Get the paint off. Doesn't seem to be wanting to come apart.
Sorry, we're having a bit of fault with our light.
So we'll try from the other side. That might be a bit easier. I think we got through. Yep, we got through. We'll try and... Right, so we'll cut it in half so we can get a better look at it. Right, try and just here. Doesn't seem to rip. Right, we'll cut it actually. Might be a bit easier.
This may take a while.
Right. We've finally kind of got inside. So what we have here is a bit of rubber, as you can see. Rubber, really. And then just got like rubber kind of stuff on the top and nylon fabric on the bottom. And inside is foam, as you guys can see here.
Okay. So now, the moment you guys have been waiting for, what is inside the bladder? Tim, you want to have the honours? As you can hear there, the air is going out.
So now we've got inside the football. And now you can see the nozzle from the pump where it's inside out. You can see it here. And then what we've got in here is just like much softer and like rubber again. And then you can see all the joints from the marks and how it's got joined together. And yeah, that's about it.
So basically, it is like a car tire. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, please subscribe. Muchly appreciated. Smash that like button. Let's hope to aim for half a like, or maybe 10. But we're probably dreaming there. And comment in the section below, what do you reckon we should do next? And ciao.